Okay, so this morning, Dylan and I are just gonna get so much done today. We're so motivated. We just cleaned off the solar panels. It's snowing, as you can see. And today our plan is to clean out our back area. It is full of stuff. So this is what we're dealing with. Holy moly. And I love my freaking light remover. I know. It's a mess. Come on, baby. This is our pile where everything just goes if we don't know where to put it. So we're going to try to build shelves on the wall to put some stuff up and just figure out what to do with everything. All right, we got everything out of there. Now I think next we're gonna use a tractor and just level it all so that everything is the same. This is our trash pile. Not sure what to do with it yet. It's getting there. So the door is lower than up here, which we knew. So eventually we plan on building like a deck sort of thing. But for now, we're just trying to level it out a little. Annie, can you stop? Hey, come here. We're trying to level it out a bit so that it's just easier to deal with. We're gonna try to hang things on the wall here, like that ladder, and then bury the line a little more. I have no idea how I got this paint on my face. I haven't painted in days. Didn't even know. Boop. Jack, did you know you're a star? You know that? You're a star. You're famous. Okay, so we have the floor leveled out and as much dirt as we feel is good for now. So now we're gonna move on to making some shelves. How did I get so dirty? For our tools. So for right now, we just have this laid down, and our plan is to put our tubs on there. So it'll be one layer of tubs, and then we're gonna build a shelf on this log out of some 2x4s. And we're hoping it'll work. So here it is with all of our 5 little things, 5 pieces sticking out, and then we're gonna screw this into the log wall. So for screwing these in, we just use these screws. Let's see how, 3.5-inch screws into the 2x4s. And then we have some of these extra big bolts, so we're gonna pre-drill into the wall and use these bolts. Make sure it stays. So now that we have that up, we're going to cut this to fit on top of it as the shelf. And there she is, a beautiful shelf. Alright, this is what we got so far. We feel so freaking organized. We're getting there. Figuring out, we have like all of our painting and drywall stuff in here. This is some of the stuff that goes back to my parents, but we are getting there. All right, we did it. It looks so good. We couldn't build anything now because we know where all our tools are. So we still have a lot of stuff over here. We have our mops, our vacuums, our paint, the gas, the generator. I need to get rid of this chair. It doesn't fit. My mom's kept this chair in her garage for like 3 years for me, but it doesn't fit in the cabinet. All that, and it was all, what time is it? 1:30. Time for lunch. We did good. A lot of wood. We let the fire go out, so we emptied the ashes because the other day they were like 8 inches high and we couldn't fit any logs in there. All right, so now we're making lunch, and I'm gonna make we had Caesar salad with blackened chicken last night. It was so good, and I'll show you guys what I make because some people on Instagram asked, and it's really simple, but I'll just bring you along. So here's what I put in it. I just have my lettuce from yesterday. If you put a paper towel in your lettuce, it'll soak up the moisture so it doesn't wilt. My blackened chicken from yesterday, all I put on this was this blackened seasoning, and I put it on the grill 7 minutes each side, let it rest for 5. I'm just using this Caesar dressing, and then I put cheese on top, croutons, and these are so good. They're just little like cheese crisps. They're delicious. All right, we just had lunch, and now we are going to go fill in the electrical line hole that runs from the solar to the house, and also try to pick up some of the trees that we cut down to put the solar there and get them up to where our fire pit is to try to burn them. It's so cold. I'm freezing. So down there, my car is stuck. That's as far as I could get up yesterday when I drove in. And down here, we have all these down trees that all just need cleaned up and burned. Here's our solar panels, and we really want to clean up in front of the house too and just get it looking better. So I buried up until right around there, but we need to bury the rest of this. So right now we have a lot of junk everywhere, as you can see, so we want to get that cleaned up. I'm gonna make dinner really fast, and I'm just gonna share what I'm making. I'm making blackened shrimp with guacamole. Right now I'm just going to peel the shrimp and put them on a paper towel. That way they are dry. That makes them crisp. Here's the shrimp. So the key to making shrimp shrimp, in my opinion, is you put on the pan, but you can't overcrowd the pan, otherwise they won't crisp up, and you can't cook shrimp long, otherwise they're really hard. So you're cooking for like 3 minutes, but spaced out. You might have to do 2 pans. Space them out. Blackened seasoning, this one is what I use. Dylan makes it the best when he mixes spices together, but I'm too lazy right now. I think you should also put them on while the pan is hot. So let it heat up for a second and then throw them on. Flip them real quick after like 1.5 minutes. Brown both sides. So you could eat this a couple ways. Sometimes we do tacos and have like shrimp tacos with guacamole, and we'll add like cheddar cheese or something on top. Or this time I just will use scoops, chips. I'll scoop guacamole and then I'll put a shrimp on top and it'll be so good. It's like one of my favorite things. It's so refreshing and it's delicious, and it was really simple and easy. I did it in like 20 minutes probably. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We had the most productive day. We had so much fun today, kind of. Organizing was great. It felt so good. Now I feel like we can build anything because we know where all of our tools are. Before, all those tools were just in buckets outside, and you guys saw it was a mess. So we're feeling really good about that. We didn't get to burn very many trees because everything was wet, and so the fire didn't get going very well. But Dylan pulled up a couple trees from down below with the tractor. And then I edited a video tonight that should be out shortly, and we're just having dinner and chillaxing the rest of the night. But thanks for watching, guys. I hope you have a wonderful day, whatever you're doing today. I hope it's the best. If you haven't already, please subscribe, give me a like, a comment. If you like to see more cooking and things like that, just let me know what you want to see, and I'm here for it. I love sharing videos with you guys and showing our journey, and I really appreciate all the love. Hope you have a wonderful day.